Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is about to be the 3rd of December of 2021. But until then, today is a palindrome in ISO 8601. Which I only noticed as I was writing a check today, and I was like, huh, fun, cool, nice. But anyway, welcome back everyone. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. D-Delsp was first. We've also got Shaz Robot, who has just gotten an internship. Congratulations, Shaz. Panic Point. I feel like your name's not familiar. But welcome. Kawa, good to see you again. Mouse Hack says, today will be the day I'll enter the top 100 copium. Good luck, good luck. Will and Walker's also here. Raisin, good to see you again. Arrow Bounce, welcome back. Is it time for the math problem? There's no way there's a math problem on day 3. There's no way. FJ Finch, hello, hello. Indie Monkey's also here. How's it going? Marsma, hello, hello. Your new Panic Point. Well, perfect. Welcome, welcome. Good to have you. I could have done that with chat plot, right? Oh, you do have chat data though. You do have chat data, Panic Point. What's your chat data? You were here last year. Nice. Well, welcome back. M2dev.net's also here. Hello, hello. It's crazy that I have like a year and a half of chat data now. Right, anyway, let's get set up before I blow through the actual start time. ASC 2021, day 3. Touch day 3. Init.py, copy day 0, part 1 to day 3. CD into that bad boy. Set up another tab. Get this ready. Get that ready. And open up part 1, get ourselves situated. Cool. Wait, Arabont, is yours also just chat from last year also? Yeah. Yep. Checks out. That's so funny. We got 2 AOC chatters. Speaking of AOC, might as well open that up. Mike CHX, hello, welcome. 17 minutes left, says Pseudomaze. It's true. I am a little bit early today. Masak says, I've prepared all the boilerplate code. Nice. Erebon says, Chatbot is showing me exactly why I was surprised you still remember. Well, you showed up like every single day. Also, I remember seeing you on the private leaderboard. I remember you from here. I read through everyone's name recently also. Where are you? Yeah, there you go. Up at the top. Zoom in. Oh, I'm winning this year. Look at this shit. That's unusual. Usually I am not winning. There's no way that'll last long though. T-Bot Teal. Kick my butt on the island. There's a lot of you who have completed. I'm impressed. Good job, guys. Get this ready. Just control tab and refresh like we did before. Seems right. Yeah. Beer can slice. Hello. Everyone is doing Advent of Code. I feel like I'm missing out. Yeah. Join in. Join the private leaderboard. Hang out with us. Do the programming puzzles. They're fun. Marspa says, I do not even turn on my computer. Wait, what? What does that mean? Shan says, new school lore just dropped. 71 out of 300 people in a CS course just caught cheating. 71? That's like over 20%, right? Yeah, that's almost 25%. It's like 23 and change percent. That's crazy. Fixter Jake, hello. Good to see you again. How can we join the leaderboard? If you join the Discord, there is a code pinned in the Advent of Code channel. And you put that little code into your private leaderboard thing-a-thing. Sounds like Moss nabbed their asses. Yeah, well, let me tell you some bullshit about Moss and the way our academic integrity board worked at University of Michigan. I don't know if it's changed since then, but it was messed up back then. Back then, we could only, in the CS department, it was probably different in other departments, but in the CS department, we could only punish a student that had cheated if they admitted to cheating. Even if, and this happened many times, even if they submitted byte identical source, we could not do anything about it. We couldn't dock their grades, we couldn't fail them, we could do nothing unless they admitted to the academic integrity council that they cheated. And so kids just fucking cheated. And yeah, we ran Moss. We found people that were using identical source. Like, someone submitted I don't know how they got this. Someone submitted code that had my name on the top of it, and it was my code. And not the year, like a year I taught, like years after I took the course. So somehow they had gotten access to my source code and submitted it. That was insane to me. But yeah, kids, right? Hey, what's up, CJ? Hello, welcome back. Keller Marku, good to see you again. The Discord link isn't working. Which link isn't working? Unable to accept invite. That's weird. I feel like it's been working for other people. A lot of people have joined the Discord recently. Did you bring them in for questioning? That's how we got around that at Iowa. No, we could not do anything. We reported them to the console. They would go in and they would just say we didn't cheat, and that was the end of it. Even if we could totally prove it. But worked for me when I clicked the one. Huh. Weird. Only hurts yourself in the long term. Can't get a job doing the thing if you can't do it. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Trying a different device. Yeah, that I've heard that sometimes works. Like I use both the desktop app and the browser app, and sometimes they work a little bit differently. They shouldn't. They should all be the same. But maybe that's different. I don't know. Along with Chris says, it's almost as if universities are businesses that only care about making money and not education. I mean, it's not super true given like the number of people that I know that failed out of school. But I don't know. I think it was just that the academic integrity group had no teeth, and so people got away with anything. And it was well known that they had no teeth. So just a shame. Ever cheat? I would never. I think the the closest to cheating was in an English class. I read quick notes, spark notes, whatever the hell it was called, on the book rather than actually reading it. Or in my cinema class. In my cinema class, we were supposed to watch 4 movies, and the movies were always at 9 p.m. and they were the most depressing movies. It was Eastern European cinema, and it was basically just like movies about the Holocaust. That was a whole semester, and it was at 9 p.m. on the other side of campus, and that was like the only class I skipped in school too. Never went and watched those. And the unfortunate thing is these movies are all foreign movies, so they're all subtitled, and they're like obscure movies, so they were really hard to pirate. And for the final paper, we were supposed to write on 4 movies and tie them together. We had like 4 of 6 movies that we could use, and I was only able to find 3 of them on BitTorrent sites. I scoured so much shit to find these movies. I found 3 of the movies, and one of them had no subtitles. So I watched a movie, and part of my paper was just about the scenery and the emotive the aesthetic of the movie, and like Oh yes, I really liked how they captured the lighting in this scene because I had no fucking idea what the words were. But I only wrote on 3 of the 4 books, or 3 or 4 of the 3 out of the 4 movies that I was supposed to do. And in the end, I was like, "Look, I only attended 3 movies. Sorry." And my teacher was like, "Your paper was the best paper that we got, but I gave you an A- because you only wrote on 3 movies." And that was probably the closest cheating that I did. Cooper, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Cliff Notes, Spark Notes, yeah, it got me through high school English. I actually read everything except for in the class was called Great Books, and it was honors English freshman year, and I skipped reading the first 3 books because I had already read them in school. They were Genesis and Exodus from the Bible, Odysseus, and the Iliad. I had read all of those, so I didn't need to reread them. And then the next book, I don't remember what the next book was, but I did not fucking read it because I mean I didn't have time to, because I had used up. I mean, I had assumed oh, I won't need any more time because I didn't have to read for the first bunch of them, and then all of a sudden I was like, oh, where'd all my time go? First year in 5th grade, we had to write book summaries. Just copied the summary off the back of the book. So how did they not know? Surely they would have known, right? There's one final tag where the final was take home, and the guy in the dorm across from me got his hands on the answer key. The last 3 years of finals? Yeah, it seems a little cheaty. Hello, hello. David J. Jackson, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. Hated English so much. I took it in community college and transferred the credits over. Nice. M2 Dev Donut says, you taught at Michigan too? Yes, I taught intro to programming. Yeah. Fidel says, moving back all my lights, turning off to 11:30 p.m. so it doesn't go dark when ASC starts. That's funny. CJ said, honors English freshman year, never realized I hated it, wouldn't use the skill enough to justify the work, and took normal English for the rest of high school. Really one of the best. I actually liked honors English in high school. Wordler, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. ASDeef, welcome to the stream. Where's X is also here. How's it going? Are you doing the ASC today? Where's X? I didn't see her go live, so I assume you're just lurking. But good luck today. Done in the last 5 minutes. I think we're ready to go. Got all this set up. Got the command ready to run. Ready to rock. But yeah, good luck to everyone who is trying today. Do the puzzles get harder every day? They roughly increase in difficulty, although puzzles. Oh, I didn't do that. Yeah, good call. good call, D-Dells. Permanently enable Vim. Yeah. So Eric, the meme, the joke, the bit is that if people donate a number of bits ending in 51, it switches my text editor from my custom text editor to Vim, which I am much worse at using. And so I hastily put together a thing that turns off that functionality just for AOC. Fritzy TG, hello, hello. Bo says hi, YouTube. Hi, Lobo. Yep, you'll be on YouTube. One of these days you're gonna forget I'm gonna get you. Oh, you could have got me today. You could have got me today. Like, yeah, here you can get your high YouTubes in. Should have asked this before. What's your keyboard? I am using the, thank you, Nerm, the Kinesis Freestyle Pro. Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube frogs. They're all YouTube frogs now, Virtual Paracosm. Daniel RQ, welcome, welcome. Thank you for creating such an awesome event and community. Yes, Eric has kicked ass on this consistently. I'm really happy with that. Yeah, he did get banned today. It's just funny. Okay. Yeah, I think we're ready to go. Bongo Eric, yeah, there we go. What's the 2 things between your halves? This is a fidget toy, and this is buttons that I use to switch scenes. This is actually a keyboard. If you do keyboard 3, yeah, keyboard 3, I think. You can learn more about it. We soldered it together on stream 2 years ago now. No, this was last year. I don't even know when I did this. A while ago. Well, a long time ago. Yeah, basically a stream deck. But yeah, that I did myself. Hey, what's up, Pilky FM? Welcome back. Sim check. Yeah, yeah. My bot is no longer subbed to Pokey. Bongo. Yeah, that would be great. The bot does not respond to itself because Twitch will ban your account permanently if they detect an infinite loop in bots. They've been very careful to not let the bot read its own input. But if I run 2 instances of the bot, it will do that. Oh, Where's X is gonna stream it. Nice. What if it's not infinite? I guess. Can you prove that it's not infinite? I think they basically detect a certain number of messages in a certain amount of time and just issue bans based on that. So I guess it's not truly infinite. They have solved the halting problem by banning the bot. Loop a few billion times, no issue there. Yeah. Indeed. Pythonic Pie with a year of subdom. Holy shit. Thank you for the resub, Pythonic Pie. Thank you for your continued support. And that gets you a fancy new badge. Thumsy's here, and Cybergenic is here. Who has redeemed Switch keyboard. Hold on while I scramble to do this. I got enough time. Let's go. All right, we're fucking ready. We're a little jank, but yeah. All right, close enough. Let's go. Someone do the standing desk? No, we're not. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. All right. Good luck. Good luck to everyone doing it today. I'll see you on the other side. Let me mark the place in chat that I read. Okay. 3. Oh shit, that's not the right command. Ah. Oh, does that mean? Okay, so sample input and expected value. And this is not useful. Okay. Binary numbers. 2 new binary numbers. Each bit of the gamma array by finding the most common bit in the corresponding position of all numbers in the diagnostic report. Considering only the first bit of each number, there are 5 0 bits and 7 1 bits. Since the most common bit is 1, the first bit of the gamma rate is 1. The most common second bit of the numbers is 0, so the second bit of gamma is 0. Okay, so that's how we get gamma, is the most common bit. And we convert it to decimal. Epsilon is in a similar way, rather than use the most common bit, it's the least common bit. Okay, so it's just binary inversion. Okay. How do I do this? If C is 0, I can just count the ones? Yeah. If C is 1, counts I plus equals 1. And we know the length of the lines. Gamma equals 0. What's the other one? We'll just call it this. If counts I is greater than len lines over 2, then gamma I think it's that. Okay. Part 2. Next you should verify the live support rating. It's the expected value somewhere down here. Let's get that in. It's ugly, but we'll fix it. The values located is a similar process that involves filtering out values until only one remains. Before searching for either rating value, start with the full list of binary numbers. Consider just the first bit. Keep only numbers selected by the first bit criteria for the type of rating and value for which you're searching. We should make a tree? The criteria depends on which type of rating value you want to find. What the fuck? This is complicated. Alright, do we need any of the previous values that we got? Seems like not. It seems like we're getting new values here. Okay. Each type of rating value. If you only have one number left, stop. This is rating value for which you are searching. Otherwise, repeat the process, considering the next bit to the right. Find the oxygen rating, determine the most common value, 0, 1, in the current bit position, and keep only numbers with that bit in that position. Oh, okay. I understand. Yeah, we basically need to make a tree. Yeah. Define the life support rating, multiply the oxygen rating by the CO2 discovery. Okay. So yeah, I think we want to make a tree here where we have the most common and least common things. And then we can kind of know, it's just a trie, it's not a tree. And we basically just need to insert into this try. Does the try work again? I could just reuse a try. This one's a tricky one. I like this. I like this a lot. So we don't have any of this anymore. We need to, for line in lines, insert line root node, make insert line function. If, oh, we need an n also, or node si. If si is equal to 1, then node dot 1 dot append let's see. If I is greater than len of s, return, that's our base case. This is recursive, which sucks, but that's fine. Insert line, new node, si plus 1. Node dot 0 dot append node. Yeah, okay, so that should make our try. And then we need to get the most and least likely. Let's see, while current, while while we have things to do, if len current dot 0, oh wait, how does this work? Oh, we actually want the list of things. Wait. Isn't right. This isn't right at all. This should be a node. Just be left and right, not we gotta how do I make this recursive? None, I guess. Yeah, I have this wrong. Oh, this is breaking my brain. This seems so easy, but I'm stumbling on making my own try. I could just cheese it and use a built-in try, but that seems too easy. Why am I struggling on this? Why is it so hard to think about? Maybe we should get out some paint. Okay, so we know we're building some sort of tree structure, and we basically want to bucket all of the zeros and ones. Is it important that we actually bucket them up front? Maybe we don't need to have any fancy structures. Okay, so that gets our common and uncommon. When zeros is greater than len ones, then common path equals 0. Otherwise, common path equals 1. We're trying a different approach. Well, that doesn't work either. That doesn't work either. I think I can just use a dictionary for this. For line in lines, or C in lines, for C in line. That should get us all of the values at each position. Okay, and if current count is equal to 1, then we're done. And we just need to find that value again. the problem. Could store the children at each depth. Let's just see what this gets us. Key error. Oh. Oh, gross. This is totally a hack. Man, having a beer before stream was not a good idea. It's really not a good idea. Why are you 0? Hey, what's up, Mighty Mithy? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Can't do postmortem debugging while we're here. Oh, if we get to the end, we're already done. How did we not break out of this before? Oh, I can't quit. 4, 3, 2. There are 2 things that have the common value. Is there a tiebreaker rule? Did I not pay attention to this? Did I read this problem wrong? Fewer 1 bits than 0 bits, so keep only the 2 numbers with a 1, this and this. Okay, we're trying to find the most common, right? There are more with 1 bit 7 than with 0 bit. 7, okay. The more with 0 bits 4. Okay, so we got 4. Cool. 3. Yeah. 2 of 3 numbers have a 1, so keep those. So pick the 1 in case of ties. Did it tell us that? If they're equal, keep the ones with... Okay. That should fix that. I don't know why this is not... Oh, because I was supposed to do raise here. That should find us our most... of course it does. So we got to a count of 0 again. Which seems wrong to me. Oh, because we never set the counts at the end, I think, is the problem. Sorcerer Finch, thank you for the raid. So this should get us to our terminating condition. Right? Wait, you have a count of 1. We should have ended. Oh, we should break here. Yeah. Okay, so that gets us our common prefix. This code is disgusting. Let's repeat the whole thing in the other direction, I guess. And then we'll make this better, because right now we're just hacking to a solution. What do we do for this? How do we pick the winning value here? This one we pick 0. We want to prefer 0, so we want less than. 1 is less than that. Pick 1, otherwise pick 0. Okay. Oh, that was awful. That was terrible. Wait, it doesn't even tell me my rank? Why didn't it tell me my rank here? Was I that poor? Usually it tells me the rank here. Oh, it didn't want to be like 16, 19. Oh, I got points today. Wait. I got points today? Oh, that's hype. I didn't even notice. Okay, now I gotta read through chat because I'm way far behind. Buttery smooth unlock, I love it. I felt good about part 1. Part 2. Using error keys in Vim should be a crime. Yeah, it's very not Vim. You can tell because he hasn't been arrested? Wait, what? Never heard of Babby, clearly I'm new here. Yeah, I wrote Babby, so that would be why. Last time I accidentally bumped the error keys while in Vim. The Vim police burst into my house. Seconds later, I had to quickly explain myself. Yeah, that's so true. Hey, Steve says, fumbled a bit on part 1, but managed to get rank 128 in part 2. Nice. That's good. I was super lost on part 2. 20 minutes after this. Crazy. Let's just skip the Python solution and move to SQLite. Yeah. Hey, what's up, time traveler? Hello, hello. Did you see PEP 671? Is that the exception thing? Late bound. Oh yeah, I did see this. I actually talked with the guy. Commented. The guy was in chat, but also commented on my YouTube videos. I think it's a good idea, but too late for the language at this point. Really hack, really not a good idea. You have my attention. How's it going, aneurysm? Really hack is another way of saying faster production, yeah. Fantastic Dan says, this was a very satisfying puzzle today. Oh, man. Remind me not to drink before Advent of Code. My brain was not ready for today. I love binary and it's a really interesting way to process binary. Okay, so let me actually take a look at what we can actually get rid of these prints. First off, not that I am in any way satisfied with this disaster of code. But part 1 I felt like I did alright on. Like this is real cheesy. But I do like this bit. I do like that bit. Oh yeah, and Sorcerer Finch rated. Just kidding. Hello, hello. I should catch up on chat before trying to get further. How goes part 2? I was stuck. I did not well. My code is so fugly. Yeah, mine's ugly too. um 2 stars. Indeed, Yom says you got points. Yeah, I did somehow. Finish part 2 for you? Yeah, 100%. 100%. My part 2 is horrible. You jumped to 4th on the leaderboard? Nice, nice. Oh, on the private leaderboard? I probably fell, given my part 2. Right? Yeah, T-Bot T is just barely edging me out here. Damn you, T-Bot T! I wonder if he'll step by the stream this year. The Cowboys won, nice. I don't know anything about the NFL. MVD Dev says, man, that code is beautiful. No, this is terrible. Part one I feel alright on. I could probably have done better. But we're basically just bit counting. Yeah, we basically just count the ones. And yeah, I'm completely fine with part 1. I like my code for part 1. Let's commit that. This is our fastest. Ooh. I probably should have mentioned before stream that I was drinking. But oh well. Input part 1. Say 3 part 1. Okay, and then we gotta make part 2 not an actual disaster. Which is interesting. You know, says I barely beat you out in part 2. That was rough. Yeah, oh man. Yo says I got a blackout on part 1. What does that mean? My code is spaghetti. Yeah, I have some spaghetti as well. My code here is very spaghetti. I'm basically shoving things into a dictionary and using it sort of as a tree. Not exactly. The time I invested reading part 1 helped me for part 2. I feel like part 2... Oh, that's pretty funny, Eric. I did not notice that. So, yeah, so the reason... The funny thing about the pep command is actually special. In that it's not a command. So the did you mean code doesn't handle it properly? It's probably worth a patch or something, but this is an interesting edge case. It's pretty funny. I was for to throw code at the problem and get mad when you get the wrong answer. Yeah. You used the CSV library to read the input file? Okay. I see you were QA testing the pep command. You did find a fun bug there. You mean fewer lines, pseudomaze. Okay, how do I make this less bad? This is essentially an insert operation. We have a try, but it is not a pretty try. I'm keeping the count at each node. We can probably turn this into an actual data structure. That would improve this a little bit, which I did start going down that route, and then I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it. I should probably call this 1 and 0. If how did I do this here? The increment the current count. Node.count plus equals 1. Oh, we could just do that after instead? Yeah, because we don't care about the root count. Because I had to do this awkward thing here, where if I would have just put this below there, that probably was better. Hey, what's up, Yamj? Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Uh-oh. Node equals node dot 0, node dot count plus equals 1. Otherwise, if node dot 1 is 9. We can do this. I think that kind of works. For line in lines, insert node line. Actually, I don't know why I made that a function. That's fine also. Okay. All right, done. Done. You can start punishing me with Vim now. I did zip text.split lines to loop over columns. Oh, to do the bit counting for part 1? Yeah, that's kind of cool. Kind of cool. Do you think part 2 would be a great interview question? Yob says, I'm from Israel, so the tiredness coming from waking up early at 3:20 a.m. to see the Cowboy Saints game. Wow. That is some dedication to sports ball. I just did the dot count method of list. Oh, nice. Yeah, with the zip. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. Oh. Yeah, because then you could just not even generate a tree. If you had them in columns, you just count the popular one and eliminate everything else. Yeah, then you don't have to build a tree. Maybe we should try and do this without building a tree, because my first solution was building a tree, and I feel like this is just making that type safe, and I don't really like that. So yeah, maybe, what is it, zip. This will get us the columns. 1 0 1 0 0 0 or 0 0 1. Yeah, and then 1 0 1. Yeah, so this is the column. So in the first one, we would pick ones. The problem is then we lose track of what the strings are at that point. Oh, we know what positions they are. We could have a set of all the positions and then reduce the set going down. Yeah, let's try that. Let's try that. Okay, so this is compute hexadicts. Well, we'll just leave that around. Oh, actually, I think we could just do. We can just get checkout. Yeah. actually really like using this keyboard. Let's see, columns equals list zip star lines. Well, we get tuples there. C equals 1 for C in or wait. Wait a minute. What am I doing here? Hey, what's up, Marco? Hello. However, it cannot be easier to filter out by the decimal? I don't know what you mean. Oh, sort the numbers? Oh yeah, that's an interesting idea. Hey, what's up, Larry and Y? Welcome. Oh, I forgot to say hi to Muddy Mithy and Yonjay, and thank you, Sorcerer Finch, for the raid. Yeah, do I try and improve this? I had an idea with this, kind of. M Forma here. Hello. Welcome. How was your code, Larry? How did your solve go? Large popping just finished. Nice. I see you too, like the bongo command, Eric. Columns, len, path. Pause. Column equals columns, len, path. Column pause equals 1 for pause in included. If ones is greater than or equal to len of included integer divide 2. Sloppy wasn't close to the leaderboard? Yeah. I wasted so much time trying to figure out how to do a bitwise not. Wait, what did you need that for? Instead of a bitwise not, you needed a not bitwise. Vim has been deployed. Look, I'm using the arrow keys. Sue me. I should just stay in insert mode all the time. I'm also using space to indent. I have literally no Vim config. This is entirely to be painful. Okay, so if included is an odd number, we'll get. We picked the wrong thing here. An odd number, we would get like 2 out of 5, and if we had 2 1s, that would actually be wrong. Actually, we don't want integer divide here. Mods, please ban its code. Yeah. Yeah. We don't want integer divide. Weird. Then path.append 1 And otherwise, path that append 0. Included equals pause for pause in included if column pause equals path -1. Oh, that's not how you do that. Oh god, what have I done? Okay, what does this do? The printed part. 10111. And what did we get for a Lamau? Okay, so that's the right value for. Okay, I kind of like this. And then we just do the same thing for the second one. Oh god, I keep using the wrong keyboard shortcuts and it keeps messing me up. I'm free from him. What am I doing? We can just go back to using cushy my own editor. Large Popping says I just ended up computing epsilon as well as gamma at the same time. I did that for part 1, yeah. I did that too. Just doing this here. Why not zip the list of each bit and do a size sum? That's what I'm doing essentially. Here's the sum, here's the size. That's kind of what I'm doing, Popson. Hey, what's up, 1015634? Welcome. Fixer Jake, how you doing? Man, I struggle with this one. Brain no working tight. Yeah, same. Partially because beers, but that's the way things go. Okay, so for this one, I believe we want less than. And if it's equal, we want this 0. This code is still gross. I feel like there's got to be a more elegant way to not have all this duplication. Essentially, both of these just did the same prefix parsing. But does this work as well? Dies. I kind of like this better. It's less build up the data structure. It's still kind of gross. Use the length of different things was a big whoops. Oh no. Yup says, gotta go. Good to see you. Same time tomorrow. It's true. Andy Monkey, you're toggling this, but I don't know how long we're gonna stream today. J Factors, hello. I'm gonna go get water. I'll be right back. I'll see you in a sec. Is this the right button? Is this the right button? All right, we're back. So I bought a lamp on Amazon the other day, and the description in Amazon says that the batteries are included. I was like, okay, cool, whatever. Why would there be batteries for a lamp? Well, it turns out there's a remote for it, and it came today, and I was like, oh, cool, remote for the lamp, batteries included, let's go. There's no batteries in the remote, and in the box, there is a little cardboard box that says batteries on it, but it's just a cardboard box. There was nothing in the box. So I have to now find AAA's because I don't keep batteries. But anyway, there's my battery story. Okay. How can I make this less terrible? I do like the idea that I'm doing here. Basically, I have a set, and that's how I keep the not pruned things alive. Not the most efficient iteration, but I like the thought. I like it way better than the than the weird dictionary that I had. Which I guess if I type this, I like never use typedict. Let's try and get this to type check. Type. I think this is how it's supposed to be. Oh, but it's gonna be recursive. What the fuck is gonna be recursive? Oh, and you can't have keys that are. Never mind. We're not gonna type this. This is going to be Dixter. Any. The cheesiest typing. Off to bed. Well, thanks for stopping by. Yeah, I'm probably not going to do the SQLite tonight because I have a bit of a headache and I'm gonna lie down. But we can do the SQLite before tomorrow's solve, so I'll probably start a little bit early and we'll go through this. Actually, I don't know how I'm gonna solve part 1 or part 2. I do know how I could solve part 1. Part 1 should be pretty easy. Part 2 I'm not so sure about. I'll probably have to think a little bit more about this, but I hear if you drink more beer the headache goes away. That's true. That is true, Nightshade dude. Reminds me of the toys gifted for Christmas, but the kid can't enjoy them because their parents forgot the batteries. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna put the timing information for this at the bottom and commit this and go from there, I guess. I don't usually do this. Do I usually just reread the file? I guess that's fine. I feel like this is not super fair, but maybe I'm wrong. Denver, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This is way too hard for day 3. Oh, I know you in real life. How are you doing? Yeah, I feel like this is the hardest day 3 I've ever seen. It was a good problem though. It was fun. My solution for part 2 sucks. Yeah, I have 2 bad solutions. Well, I think this one is clever. Basically, I keep a set of the live things and slowly whittle it down by the ones and zeros. This solution is just like build a try and kind of iterate through it. I still ended up with like a ton of duplicated code. Yeah, part 1 I thought was fine. I really like my part 1. I thought this was really good. I mean, it was good enough because I got points also, which yeah. But my part 2 is all over the place. All over the place. Holy shit, I don't know how to binary. Well, fortunately, you can mostly cheese it by doing this. I just did a little bit of clever bit shiftery here. What day of code around? Well, it is December 3rd, so we're on December 3rd. I did cheese it. Nice, nice, nice. I revised my part 1 to do bitwise stuff, and I'm super happy with it. Nice, CJ. Nice. I feel like there's probably some clever solution with this with sorting, but I don't know. Sorting, pivot points. I feel like you could do that with the first part. There's probably also a fun recursive solution to this. Yeah, I guess if you like sort and know the halfway point, and then binary search. There's probably a clever binary search solution to it. Anyway, I'm gonna get my timing information done. Oddly enough, my second solution is faster. I'm gonna pick the one where that one is the fastest. This one, I guess. And again, these are super non-scientific times, so it's probably not actually measuring the performance here, but that's fine too. Day 3, part 2. Melky says we want Pokemon. Oh no. Typing errors. Oh right, it CDs. That's not always what you want. How do you not know? My pie, how do you not know? Where's the inference, bro? Oh, I guess because it gets accessed here before then? Oh, that's so stupid. Sometimes I wish my pie's inference were better. We also to fix these lines. These lines are disgusting. These lines are actually disgusting. Fantastic Dan says recursive solution. Yes, 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 yes. Part 2 is pretty goofy still though. I have a helper that makes a lambda as an argument. Makes the code short and not very repetitive, but kind of hard to understand. Yeah, it's true. How many points did you snag? 28! Which has me nowhere near the top 100. Marky says, any way to know to switch my AOC login from Google to GitHub without losing my previous star's AOC++ status? Yeah, I don't know if Eric's still in chat, but you can probably contact him. But yeah, let me do this commit. And we're probably gonna start early tomorrow, so I can play around with some SQLite and maybe improve these solutions. We'll see. Oh shoot, I have to upload a solution video. Oh well. Anyway, let me do my little spiel. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content as well as prior solutions to YouTube. That's youtube.com/anthonywritescode. My streams will also be up on my second channel, so you can get to that from my main channel. And I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is Twitter, and the other is the Discord. So, Code with Anthony for Twitter, and Discord is in the description. But thank you all for stopping by, and let's go see if surely someone else is still online, right? Where's X is online? Perfect. Oh no, she's in the struggle too. Oh, Eric's there. Perfect. Wave emoji. We gotta pre-jack this. On. There we go.